Control A, select all. Control X, cut. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. Control P, print window. Control B, bold selection. Control N, new document. Control Z, undo last action. Control K, insert link. Control U, underline. Control F, open find box. Control H, find and replace. Control W, close. Alt tab, switch apps. Alt F4, close apps. Control escape, open start menu. Windows L, lock your computer. Windows print screen, save screenshot. Control Shift escape,